Hey guys, how are we doing now? You are not going to believe this, but I still have mango peels. It's just as well I have one more recipe up my sleeve. Come and see what I'm doing. So far in our mango peel exploration, we have made cake, tea and curry. So we've taken care of dinner, 11's, but what about breakfast? What about breakfast? How about we make some mango peel jam? And I'm gonna show you how right now. Let's get down on the board. Oh my God, why am I singing? Why am I singing? If you have a kadai, which is the Indian form of a wok, use that. That's the nice roundy bottom one, not a flat bottom one, which is the more Asian variety, Chinese variety. I'm going to use my wok. If you don't have one of those, use a saucepan. That's simple. Don't get scared by this. Right. So first off, we're going to put the heat on about a medium flame. And then we're going to pop our peels in. Okay. Now, much like how we did the curry, and for that recipe, see the card above or the link in the description below, we're going to start this off by boiling these for a little while in a couple of a litre or so of water. Okay, so we're going to come back in 20 minutes. What I'm going to be doing is I've got my little slotty spoon and I'm going to be grabbing these peels out into this bowl. And we're keeping the juice, okay? Don't be getting rid of that. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our bashy stick. Now, if you don't have a bashy stick like this, it comes from a mortar and pestle. Get the end of a rolling pin, that'll work just as well. Or a jar, or a cup, whatever you have. Okay, so we're just going to give these a really good mooching. Really. Give me a really good munching. Now the other thing you could do if you really wanted to, stick it in the food processor, but you know what? I can't be bothered doing that kind of washing up today. So this is what I'm doing. Plus, you can just imagine that it's that person's head that said something so stupid that you just want to whap them with this up the left nostril. So yeah. So use it for that. I've been at this for a while now and I am done. Like I said, if you wanted to put this through the food processor, do that. I don't mind a few chunks in my jam. It doesn't bother me at all. We're going to go back to the wok. Okay, so it's been about 5-6 minutes on the boil and all. You can see that it's actually pulling apart from the base now, which means that it's ready to go in the jar. I'm just going to use a clippy jar for this because I've never tried this jam before. I've only got a small amount of it. There's no point in preserving it for you know, shelf life, so I'm just going to be putting it in the fridge. So that's why it's in a clippy jar. I've got my funnel out because I don't want to miss any, because you know I'm not missing any. Okay. All right. Let's get that in the sink. Okay. There we are. It's actually quite a decent lot. It's actually quite a funky colour. I like the colour. Oh. Now we're going to let it cool before we try it. So you're going to have to come back in a second. Right, so we can just put a little bit of butter on our bread. And hasn't quite gone down to thing, but do you know what? I can't be doing it. I can't be waiting. It will thicken up, I know that. Now this would go really well with flatbread, I reckon, like a roti or something, but don't have any of those at the moment. Ain't making any this morning. It's not happening. That's ready for the fridge. Aha! Oh my god. Tastes like a plum jam. Like a plum or an apricot jam, but not as sweet. Well, not as sweet as the shop bought ones. You have to make this. You have to make it. You have to make it. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. That's all our mango peel's done. To be honest, we've done a full day's food with just mango peels, and I am elated. The results have been amazing. So, guys, do try, you know, and see what you've got around the house. We're going to do more recipes like this. We're going to do some more with things that you don't expect to normally use, and see how things go. I will see you guys later on. Have a really, really awesome rest of your day. Blessings.